Hi everyone, we are Adina, Bogdan and Alex, and we are sailing through Greece aboard our sailing boat Sarmi. We share our adventures, life on the water, hidden places we discover, and the amazing people we meet along the way. If you enjoy sailing, travel, Greece and real-life adventures, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and join our journey. It helps our channel grow and allows us to continue sharing these experiences with you. Today we are exploring a different side of Thassos together with our friend Maria and Aurelio from Spain, who are also sailing around the Greek island on their own boat. Our first stop is the Monastery of Archangels Michael and Gabriel, one of the most spectacular places on the island. It seems this is a very popular place, especially during the summer months. As soon as we entered the monastery courtyard, the atmosphere changed completely. The sea views from the cliffs are incredible, and the whole place feels peaceful despite the number of the people visiting. Inside the monastery grounds there is a small chapel. Filming is allowed only outside, but we capture a few quick moments inside before putting the camera away and simply enjoying the experience. Go buy me a mug.
A monk?
Mug.
A monk?
A mug.
Monk.
Mug for coffee.
Let me think. No.
If I'm buying a mug from here for coffee, do you think that coffee will become very blessed? My God.
Yes, of course, but it's not by the mug, it's by your hands. It's by your holiness.
But I'm buying a holy bag. Blessed one. Afterward, we sat for a while on a bench near the monastery shop, talked, relaxed, and took a group photo to remember another beautiful day together. From the monastery, we continued to Limenas, the capital of Thassos. We visited the Ancient Theatre. The easiest access is from the road next Carnaggio bar, followed by a short uphill walk. Standing among the ancient stone seats with panoramic views over the sea is an unforgettable experience. It's a perfect reminder that Thassos is not about beaches, its history is everywhere waiting to be discovered. Before heading back to the boat, we decided to take a different route, one that looked much more adventurous. Instead of following the main road, we turned onto a mountain route, not really knowing what to expect. The views were absolutely incredible. Around every corner we were treated to breathtaking panoramas on the mountains, forest and sparkling sea in the distance. Thanks for joining us on another adventure with Sarmi. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.